give thanks to all of you for continuous liking and watching our videos. And as per your demand, again we are here with a new master discussion, that is ST number 10 of pre in reasoning. So let's have a look. As you can see here, this question belongs to alphabetical series, and generally 1 or 2 marks question will be asked in your examination from this topic. While answering this type of question, do remember the place value of each and every alphabet so that you will easily crack this type of question. So let's have a look how you can solve this type of question. Examiner wants to know how many such pair of letters are there in the word expert set, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have in the English alphabets. So let's have a look. Word is expert set. If you know the place value of each and every alphabet, so you can write here now. After writing the place value of each and every alphabet, you have to check how many pairs are there. First you can see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No pair will be there. Next 24, 25, 26. No need to go further. Next 16, 17, 18. First pair will be P to R. That is our first pair. Next we have to move further again from P. Do remember we have to move further again from P, that is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, but no pair we can find here. Next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no pair will be there. Next 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, again we cannot find the pair from T. Next 19, no pair will be there. C, no pair will be there. Again no pair, no pair, no pair. Now we have to come backward because the word is not mentioned here. Same order. If examiner have written the word same order, find how many pairs are there in same order, then we can say that only one pair are there. But no, this type of word is written here, so we have to find out first forward, then we have to come backward from last to first. Now you can see here 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So no pair will be there. 1, 2, 3. So next pair will be 1, 2, 3. That is A to C. Next we have to again count from A. Now let's check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No pair. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 19 to 20. Again we have find one pair, that is 19 to 20. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now you can see here we have find two pair from T, that two pair from S, that is 19 to 24 and again 19 to 20. Next 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, no pair. 5, no pair. 16, no pair. 24, no pair. Now let's check how many pairs are there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that answer will be more than 4 pair are there. Let's proceed towards the next question. This question examiner wants to know how many meaningful English words can be made with the letter TCHA, using each letter only once in each word. After analyzing the fact which is given to us, we can say we can make only one letter, that is chat. So answer of this question will be option number 2, that indicate 1. Let's proceed towards the next question. In this question, examiner wants to know if each vowel in the word, you can see here the word name, is changed to the next letter of the English alphabet. Do remember, vowel is changed to the next letter of English alphabet. You must aware about the vowels A, E, I, O, U. You can change A to B, E to F, I to J, O to P, U to V. and then you have to decide which of the following will be 7th from the left corner. Left corner you can count from here 7th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. You can see here the letter which we have found is E, and as per the requirement of question, examiner wants to know that each vowel you should change to the next letter of English alphabet. So we should change E to next letter, that is F. So our answer will be 7th letter from left end, that is F, which is given in option number 4. So we can say that correct answer of this question will be F. Let's proceed towards the next question. Now you can see here, examiner wants to know how many such digits are there in the number. You can see the number which belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 digits are there in this number. Examiner is saying each of which is as far away from the beginning of the number as when the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. So first we have to arrange it in ascending order, then we have to decide which of the following digit is as far away from the beginning as when the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number or not. Let's arrange it first. In ascending order we can arrange it 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see 2 times 3, so we have to write 2 times 3. Next 4, 5, 2 times 5, so we have to make 2 times 5. Next 6, next 7, next 9. Now you can check 3, 6, 10, 11. We have written all the 11 digits here. Now you can easily find none of the digit is here which is as per the requirement of question. So answer will be none. We can say that answer of this question will be option number 4, that indicate none. None digit is here which is as far away from the beginning of the number as when the digits are arranged ascending order within the number. Let's proceed towards the next question. This question, examiner indicate M denotes to division, K denotes to minus subtraction, T denotes to multiplication, and R denotes to plus addition. Then find out what is the exact value of this word, this combination of word and number. You can see 14K. 14K means 14 minus 18T. T means into, M means division, and R means plus. First, according to the BODMAS rule, we have to decide the division part. 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. Now we have to multiply 18 into 3. If we multiply 18 into 3, what will we get? That is 54, which is from minus side because minus 18 is there. Now minus 54 and 40 plus 8 plus 48. Answer will be minus 6. So let's check in which option minus 6 is given. You can see here first option is 2, that will be wrong. Second option is minus 4, that also will be wrong. Third option also wrong because of 4. Fourth option is still wrong because of 12 is written here. So our answer will be none of these, means other than these options which is written here. Let's proceed towards the next question. In this question belongs to sitting arrangement. You can see here 7 children, they have mentioned the name A, B, C, D, E, F and G, are standing in a line. It's up to you how will you draw the line. You can draw the line horizontally, you can draw the line vertically. It's totally up to you how can you manage the things. So we are managing the things according we want to make this line horizontally, and we try to put all of them are facing north. If all the 7 members are facing north as per the requirement of the question, because they haven't decided the exact direction. If you are unaware that where they are saying, so you can take a proper common direction, that is north. Okay, that will be beneficial for you. As per the condition, if all of them are facing north, then right will be here and left will be here. First statement is saying, as you can see here, G is immediate right of D. G is just right of D and to the immediate left of C. They are talking about the G. G is just right of C and just left of B. So we have put it here. G is just left of B and G is just right of D. But we cannot put it here. Why we cannot put it here? Because exact position of D, G, B we cannot correlate in this time. So let's proceed towards next statement. Next statement is saying A is immediate right of C. Still we cannot find what is the right value of A and what is the right value of C. So again we have to store this statement. Actually you cannot relate it in neither this statement you can relate it, neither not this statement you can relate it A and C. So we have to store it again. A is just right of C. Next statement is saying A and D have one child standing between them. Now you can correlate with these two statements like this. There is only one child between C and D. So you can correlate it. C, A, one member, that is D. Now how many members we can find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members are we have already find, but we still don't know where to put first to 6 or second to 7. So still we have to store all this information. So let's wait towards the next information that will be beneficial for us. Next statement is saying E and B have two children standing between them. E and B have two children standing between them. We have already find B. We cannot go through the right side because the strength of the children will be more. So we have to go towards the left side of B. So B, two children, then E. Still we cannot correlate the question because we don't know first to 6 we have to written or second to 7th we have to written. So go through the next information which is saying D and F have two children standing between them. Now you can correlate it with this statement D, two members and F. Now we easily can find, we have already find all the 7 members here which is starting from C. Next will be A, next E, next D. You can say that D is in the middle of this row. Next G, B and F. G, B and F. So this is the exact chart which you can make with the help of direct and indirect information. Let's proceed towards the question which examiner wants to know from you. As you can see here, easily you can find who is extreme right end. You can easily say that F is sitting in exactly right corner which is extremely right of this row. Next question will be who is exactly in the middle of the row. You can easily find 3 members from left side you can cut, 3 members from right side you can cut, and right and appropriate answer of this question will be D, which is written in option number 3rd. You can easily mention. Let's move towards the next question. Examiner wants to know who is extremely left end. Who is sitting exactly left end? You can easily mention that C is sitting in exactly left corner. So right answer will be option number 3. Let's proceed towards the next question. Now you can see here this question is based on blood relation. Some key factors are there you can mention and you can correlate with your exam while you are answering in your examination how to solve blood relation question. If any male member are there, then correlate it with square box. If any female member are there, then correlate it with circle. If you find any married couple, then you have to mention with this type of arrow, whereas one member is male and one member is female. Okay. If you are trying to draw a statement like A is brother of B, so you can put siblings. For siblings, you can draw a single line. So that will be beneficial for you. So let's move on towards the question. First statement is saying R and S are a married couple, but they haven't mentioned that who is male and who is female. So we have to write R and S are married couple, and they have 2 daughters M and D. They have 2 daughters, that is first one is M, second one is D. Next statement is saying D is married to A. If D is a female and D is married to A, then definitely A will be a male. A, who is the son of G and T? Now you can relate this statement through this. A son of D and G, A son of G and T. So G and T must be upward direction, G and T and married couple, but we are still unaware that who is male and who is female as per the condition, because they have said that G and T are married couple. N is daughter of A. You can mention here N is daughter of A, so that will be daughter of D also. N is daughter of A and D. Female, she is a female because of daughter. Next statement is saying K, who is sister of A. You can mention here K, who is sister of A. So we can draw with a single line. We can draw here. Little bit mistake. Just wait for a while. We can draw this. K is sister of A. So we can draw it with a single line. Next, move towards the next statement. K, who is sister of A, is married to H. Again, they are saying K is married to H. So H will be a male member. And they have two sons, Z and P. So Z and P are children of K and H. They have mentioned the gender of Z and P, that is, they have said they are two sons, that is Z and P. With the help of these statements, we can analyze. We have three generations, that is first, second and third. First generation R and S and G and T is still we unaware about the exact gender of R, S, G and T. In second generation, we have mentioned M and D, two daughters of R and S, and D is married to A, means A is husband of D. Again, you can find here K is sister of A and K is married to H. And K and H have two sons, that is Z and P. Let's find out what examiner wants to know from their question. As you can see here, in this question, examiner wants to know what is the relationship between T and N. Still we are unaware about the T because they haven't mentioned the gender of T, so we cannot identify the exact answer of this question. So we can say that all the options are false because we don't know, still we don't know what is the gender of T. So answer of this question will be none of these. Let's proceed towards the next question. They want to know how is K related to D. They have mentioned how is K related to D. So each time you have to answer the first member. If K is a female, then answer will be female. If K is a male, then answer will be related to male member. Now you can check how is K related to D. First option is saying niece. This is false. Second option is saying sister. Again false because K is sister of A, not D. Third option is saying sister-in-law. Yes, you can easily aware D is married to A and sister of A easily will count on behalf of D that K is sister-in-law of D. Let's move on towards the next question. This is the last question of blood relation. Which of the following is true? Five options are available here. You have to decide which of the following option is definitely true. First option is saying A is son of M. You can see here A is son of G and T, not of M. So first option will be false. Second option, they are saying N is cousin of K. You can see N and K, there is one generation gap, so we cannot say they are the cousin. N is cousin of K. So second option is still false. Third option is saying D is maternal uncle. If you don't know what is the gender of T, then how can you decide that T is maternal uncle, that T is a male? Still we are unaware about it. Next option will be is saying X is brother-in-law of D. H is brother-in-law of D. We can easily find that H is brother-in-law of D. So answer of this question will be option number 4. Let's proceed towards the next question. This question you can see here, a series is given which is a combination of letter, number and symbol. With the help of these three, you have to decide as per the requirement of question that what is the right answer of that type of question. First question, examiner wants to know which of the following is the 9th to the right of 17th from the right end in the above arrangement. You can easily put the simple answer right minus right equals to right. You can see 17th and 9th, though two options are there, so you have to decide 17 minus 9, that will be 8 from right corner. That is the shortcut of this question. Now you can easily check 8 from right will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will be n. So our answer of this question will be option number first. Let's proceed towards the next question. Again, same question. A series is given which is a combination of letter, number and symbol. Examiner wants to know which of the following is 4th to the left of this 6th to the left of W. They have mentioned the name W. W to 6 left and again 4 to the left of that element. So we can say 10th from the left of W. From the left of W we have to find. Now you have to check. W is there. 10 from the left of W will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That will be 9. Now let's check. First option is U, false. Second option is D, still false. Third option is E, again false. And fourth option is copyright, again false. So you can decide the right answer of this question will be none of these, because 10 from left of W will be 9. So answer will be none of these. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, examiner wants to know how many such symbols are there. How many such symbols are there? We have written the symbol from this key point. How many symbols are there in the word arrangement? Each of which is immediately preceded by a letter. Preceded by a letter and immediately followed by a number. Number should be there. First symbol just immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by a number. Now we can check it. Symbol is there, number, we have to just come letter, not number. Symbol is there, letter is there, number is there. First pair will be $4. You can easily find. First pair we have already find $A and 4. Next we have to move on towards the next further statement. @ID, false. #6V, false. Copyright VJ, false. *JY, again false. So answer will be option number second, which indicate one symbol are there in the given statement. In the given statement, each of which is immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by a number. So let's move on towards the next question. If all the symbols and numbers in the above arrangement are dropped, if we eliminate all the symbol and all the number, then examiner wants to know which of the following in these five options is 12 from the left end. Examiner wants to know after eliminating all the symbols and after eliminating all the numbers, which of the following will be 12 from the left end. You can see here, first, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and last is 12. Answer will be F. First option is E, false. Second option is K, still false. Third option is Z, false. Fourth option is D, false. So we can say answer will be none of these, because we are finding F, but there is no option which is written F. So answer will be none of these. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, examiner wants to know how many such consonants are there in the above arrangement. We have to find out the consonant, not vowels. Be careful while answering the consonant. We have to find out how many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a symbol. Followed by a symbol, but not immediately preceded by a number. Not preceded by a number. So first symbol, just before that is consonant, and just before that is not any number. As you can see here, symbol is there, consonant, number is here, so we have to cancel it. Symbol, vowel is here, we have to find out the consonant, not vowel, so again cancel. Symbol, vowel, cancel. Symbol, number, but we have to find out the consonant, so again cancel. Symbol, consonant and number not should be there, so first pair will be this. Now you can see here, again second pair we can find symbol, consonant and not any number. So we can say that there will be two pair will be there. two consonants are there, each of which is immediately followed by a symbol but not immediately preceded by a number. So our answer will be option number 3rd, which indicate 2. Let's move on towards the next question. As you can see here, 4 of the following 5 are like in a certain way. You can see here 5 options are there. We have to decide which is odd. First we have to relate it with the question, then we have to decide which is odd one out. Now you can see here, first option is MP5. MP5 means AM2 plus 3 then minus 2. Second option is U$2. U$2. Again, this is satisfied with this option. Next, 4E3. 4E plus 3. Again, minus 2. This option is also satisfied with this condition. AM plus 3, name plus 3 minus 2. Next will be KQ1. K plus 3 minus 2. Last, @9Z. @9 should be plus 3. But you can see here, after going towards the plus 3, we have to find F, not 9. So our answer will be @9Z, which is not follow the certain rule, that is, first any entity, then plus 3, then minus 2. First move towards plus 3, then last come backward, minus 2. So answer will be option number 5, which is not appropriate as per the requirement of this question. So odd one out will be option number 5. Let's move on towards the next question. You can see here digit and symbol are there in first row. In second, letter code are given, which is based on you can say that consonant and vowel. For each of the number, a separate letter is given, and for each of the symbol, another separate letter is given. You have to identify with the help of these 4 conditions that what is the right answer for this question. Now you can see here, first unit digit and last unit digit of this question is odd number, and condition which is given on the basis of certain type of question is of condition number 4. You can see here, if both the first and last unit are odd digit, then both are to be coded as Z. So we have to code for 9 and 3, that will be Z. Code for @ you can see over here, I is represent for @. Code for 3, you can easily watch here, 3 is for AM, and for 7 code is written over here, Q, and code for 4 is B. So right answer of this question will be ZIM QBZ. So you can see here, ZIM QBM, this is false because it is written AM, not Z. ZB, again false. ZIM QM, we have to consider B, but over here written is AM. Next, ZIM QBZ, this is the right answer of this question. You can say that option number 4 will be the right answer of this question. Let's proceed towards the next question. In this question, first unit digit is even number and last unit digit is symbol. You can see here, first is even, last is odd, then we cannot consider this statement, this condition. If first is symbol, another condition is false. In third condition, you can see first unit digit is an even digit and last unit is a symbol, then both are to be coded as code for the symbol. You can see here, symbol is percentage and the code written here is F. So first unit digit we have to consider 2, that is will be F, and code for last percentage will be F. Now you can see here, 9, code for 9 is E, code for copyright will be A, code for dollar will be N, and code for hash will be R. Now we have to find out this answer, F, E, A, N, R, F. This is written in option number 3rd. So right answer will be F, E, A, N, R, F, which is written in option number 3rd. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, again you can see here, again this type of question you can easily answer such type of question with the help of these conditions. Let's move towards the next question, which is based on syllabus. In this question you can see here, Four statements are followed by two conclusions. You have to decide which of the following conclusion is true on the basis of certain information. First statement is written, all walls are welcome. Whenever you find all type of a statement, then which is written in first statement, first word in a small circle, and second word you have to written in big circle. All walls are welcome. Second statement is saying some walls are wall. Next statement is saying all laws are win. We cannot consider this time because neither we have well, neither we have win, nor we have loss. Last statement is saying some welcome are lost. We can combine it, some welcome are lost. Now we can use this statement over here, all laws are win. All laws are win. So with the help of these four statements, we can make this type of diagram. Now we have to decide which of the following conclusion is true. First conclusion wants to know some win being watch is a possibility. Now you can see here, there is no relation between win and watch. So all possibility will be considered true. So first conclusion is true. Let's check what is next conclusion say. Next conclusion is saying no loss is a welcome. There is a positive relation in all this statement, but no relation between watch and loss. Examiner wants to know that there is a negative relation between loss and welcome. We cannot say there is a negative relation between welcome and wall. If statement is positive, so answer will be positive. Conclusion over here is written negative sense, so this conclusion will consider as negative, that is false. So right answer of this question will be option number first, which states only conclusion first is followed. Let's move on towards the next question. This question again four statements are written, two conclusion. First conclusion you can see here, some win not being welcome is a possibility. You can see over here, there is a positive relation between welcome and win. There is some positive relation examiner wants to consider. Might be it can be happen the negative relation between welcome and win or not. So you can look over here, if some positive is given in definite manner. Now as you can see here, there is some positive relation between win and welcome, that is some part of win is already welcome. If some positive is given, then only two possibility will be there, that is first one some negative possibility, you can say it is right, and second one is all positive. Examiner wants to know that some negative will be right or wrong, so you can see easily that some negative possibility will be right whenever you find that only some positive relation between two entities, that is welcome and win. Next conclusion is saying some win are welcome. We can easily find out, yes, some win are already welcome. So we can say both conclusion is true, which is written in option number 5. Both conclusion first and second follow. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, first statement is written, no low is light. No low is light. Second statement is saying, no leaf is light. There is a negative relation between leaf and light. No leaf is light. Third statement is saying, some like are leaf. Some like are leaf. And last statement is saying, some love are both. You can see over here, some love are both light as well as light. Some love are both. Some love are both light and light. Let's move on towards the conclusion. First conclusion wants to know some leaf are love. You can see here there is no relation between love and leaf. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion is saying no love is law. No love is law. This conclusion also false because relation between love towards law is some negative and examiner wants to know all negative, so that's why it is also false. So both conclusion is false. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, first conclusion is some like are leave and love. You can see easily some like are leave as well as love. So we can say that this conclusion is true. Next conclusion is wants to know that some light are like. You can see here there is no relation between light and like. So second conclusion is false. So we can say that only first answer will be the right answer of our question, that is only conclusion first follow. Let's proceed towards the next question. In this question, examiner wants to know all strings are shaped. First the statement is saying all strings are shaped. Second statement is saying no shape are figure. If no shape is figure, that's why we can easily say that all strings are not figure. Next statement is saying all shine are shrink. All shine are shrink. Next statement is saying some figure are recap. Some figure are recap. First conclusion wants to know some shape are shine or not. You can easily conclude that some shape are shine. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion is saying some recap are not shape. You can easily say that some recap are not shape. This conclusion also follow. So we can say that both conclusion first and second is the right answer of this question, which is written in option number 5. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, you can see here 4 statements are written, and each of the statements will be asked from this topic in your examination. As you can see here, 4 statements are written, and each of the statement certain code is given for each of the word. You have to identify what is the appropriate word for appropriate letter. You can say what is the right word for. You have to find what is the exact code for cow, young, bold, monkey, and so on. So you can see here, first word which is written over here is cow. Now you have to identify this word is written anywhere else in these 4 statements or not. You can easily find that cow is written in statement first and second. Now one code will be written over here for cow. You can see here X1 is written. Yes, X1, it can be a code for cow. But still you have to find might be certain code will be same also. So you have to put it over here also. X2 not written here. X3 also common. So we can say that we cannot find the right code for cow. It can be 1 or it can be 3. Let's proceed towards the next statement. Next word, that is young. Young is written in statement first and statement number 4. What is the right code for young? You can see here X2 is written for young. Why we haven't filed X1? Because X1 is already for cow or 3. Young is code for young is 2. You can say that. Next word is bold. Bold is written in statement second. So we can say that code for bold will be X1 or X3. This is the right code for cow and bold. If examiner wants to know what is the code for bold, so we cannot say that right code for bold is either X1 S or either X3 S. Let's proceed towards the next word, that is written over here, monkey. All the 3 words out of 4 we have already covered. So there is no need to find another code for monkey. We can easily find here that code for monkey is X4S. Let's proceed towards our next statement. Cow we have already find. Now next new word is awake. You can see here awake is written in statement second and statement third. So right code for awake we have to find out. It can be X7 or it can be X6S. So code for awake will be 6 or 7. Let's move towards the next word. We have already find about it. Bold. Next word is merged. Merged is written in statement second, statement third, and statement 4. So we can easily find the right code for merged. Now look over here. What is the right code for merged? That will be X7 or X6S. X6 only written in 2 cases. So right answer for merged will be X7S. So now we can conclude what is the code for awake. It will be X6S. Let's move on towards the third statement. Monkey, we have already find monkey. Awake, we have already find awake. Merged, we have already find merged. So there is no need to find the right code for verse. We can easily say that code for verse will be X5S. code for was will be X5X. Next statement, mud we have already find, was we have already find, and young we have already find. So we can easily conclude that code for alone is X9S. So right answer for alone will be X9S. Because of your easily pattern we have written over here the complete name X9S, otherwise we have written just 9. While keep practicing, you can easily find continuous, that how easily you can find this type of question. Let's find out what examiner wants from us, what he is trying to say. In first question, examiner wants to know what will be the code for alone in that code language. You can easily find out. Look at over here, code for alone is 9, which is written over here, that will be X9S. So right answer of this question will be option number 4. Next statement, in next question, examiner wants to know what is the code for mud. You can easily say that code for mud will be X7S. Next statement, examiner is saying what will be the word for the code X7S and X9S. So X9S code will be alone and X7S code will be mud. So right answer will be mud alone. That will be written in a statement number first, in option number first. Let's move on towards the next question. This is the last question of substitutional coding. In this question, examiner just want to know what is appropriate code of bold. So we can conclude that is still we are unaware that what is the right answer of bold, because it can be 1 or it can be 3. It can be X1S, which is written over here. It can be X3S, which is written over here. So right answer will be either option first or option second will be follow. So we can say that right answer of this question will be option number 5, which is states either first or second follow. Let's proceed towards the next question. This question is based on sitting arrangement. You can see here 8 person. You can see here all name are started with the letter R. So that will be confusing for you while answering the question. So be careful while answering this type of question. You can see here 8 members are sitting around a circle and all are facing towards the center. We are putting the chart of this. 8 members are facing towards the center. If all of them facing towards the center, then right will be anti-clockwise direction and left will be clockwise direction. Whenever examiner is saying move towards right, then you have to move towards anti-clockwise. If examiner is saying that second to the left or third to the left, then you have to move clockwise direction. First statement is saying Rahim is sitting between Rajiv and Ritesh. Rahim is sitting between Rajiv or Ritesh. Still we don't know what is the exact place for Ritesh and Rajiv. So Rajiv or Ritesh. This here Rajiv, either Rajiv is sitting or Ritesh will be sitting here. Next statement is saying Ritesh is not neighbor of Rahul. Ritesh is not neighbor of Rahul. So Rahul is not neighbor of Ritesh. Next statement is saying Raju is neighbor of Rakesh. Raju is immediate neighbor of Rakesh. So they both are sitting together. Last statement is saying Rahul is second to the right of Rishabh. Rahul is second to the right of Rishabh. They are talking about Rishabh, who is neighbor of Raman and Raju. You can take a help of this statement. We cannot put Raju over here because Raju is neighbor of Rakesh. So as per the requirement of question, examiner is saying Rishabh is neighbor of Raman and Raju. So Raman should be placed over here and Raju should be placed over here. First, second, third, fourth. 4 members are written over here and Ritesh is neighbor of Raju. And Raju is neighbor of Rakesh. So Rakesh will be written over here. There are 5 members: Rakesh, Raju, Rishabh, Raman and Rahul. We have to consider in this chart. While writing over here, first member will be Rakesh and right of Rakesh should be Raju and right of Raju should be Rishabh, then Raman and last we have to write the name, that is Rahul. Still we cannot find that who is sitting over here, that is Rajiv or Ritesh. Now we can take a help from this statement that Ritesh is not neighbor of Rahul. So right member which is sitting over here, that will be Rajiv and Ritesh will be sitting over here. This will be the right answer of this question. Now with the help of this you can easily answer the right answer of your question. Now as you can see over here what examiner trying to ask from you. First question, examiner wants to know from you what is the position of Rishabh. You can see third to the right of Rakesh. Is Rishabh is sitting third to the right of Rakesh or not? Rishabh is sitting third to the right of Ritesh, not Rajiv. So first, not Rakesh. So first conclusion is false. First conclusion is false. Second statement is saying between Rakesh and Rajiv. Now we have to check that Rishabh is sitting between Rakesh or Rajiv or not. You can see here Rishabh is sitting between Raman and Raju, not Rakesh and Rajiv. So this conclusion is also false. Next conclusion is saying Rishabh is immediate right of Rajiv. You can see over here Rishabh is immediate right of Raju, not Rajiv. So next we have to move on towards the next conclusion, which is saying Rishabh is immediate left of Raman. This is the right answer. You can see over here Rishabh is immediate left of Raman. So our right answer of this question will be option number 4. We can see that. So this type of question you can easily solve with the help of the diagram. You can easily conclude all the other questions like question number 97. That's all about today's presentation. The main motive of today's presentation is how to crack the exam that will be beneficial for your upcoming SBI exam. So stay with us and do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.